drama on the chapter before. I am Rehan Khan as the narrator.
I am Muhammad Riaz as a soldier.
I am Safar as a Rayappa.
I am Ibrahim as a tourist.
So let's start the drama. Welcome to the land of coffee and courage. Food nestled between Mysore and Mangalore. Located where tourists come and looking around.
Wow, the air smells like coffee and tea. Where am I? Exactly.
You are in Kolkata, also called Food, the land of brave earth and just dreams.
Lokesh was very excited to learn more about the coast.
What makes the coach so special?
Everything, our coffee estates, rainforest, and of course our brave people.
Urmis are known for their hospitality and their martial traditions. Even today, many proudly serve in the Indian Army. They both go to meet the soldier Colonel Mukhan.
Greetings. I am Colonel Mukhana of the Food Regiment. We are known for our courage and discipline. You must be proud to belong here. Indeed, goods are the only people in India without the permitted to carry a license.
Our tradition comes from Greek or other countries, maybe even Alexander's army.
The martial link and the warrior spirit run deep in the coast vein. They are more excited to learn more about the nature and the culture of the coast.
What about the nature here? It's beautiful.
Food is home to the Kaveri River, elephants, rainforest, and Mandalpatti Hills.
Adventure seekers come here to raft, trek and explore the wild side of nature.
Truly, Kaur is a blend of natural beauty, rich culture, and bravery.
Lokesh thanks them both and said to them.
Thank you. I'll never forget this place.
Come back soon. Goods always welcome to India open arms.
With a hot cup of coffee and warm hug.